Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily disconnect your eBay account from your Facebook account so the both are not linked together anymore. It's very easy, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up facebook.com onto your preferred browser and hop onto the account which you want to disconnect. From there we go to the top right corner where your account appears, open up the drop down menu and go to the settings and privacy. Now from there we open up the settings and we look to the left where the settings and privacy appear. Now here we scroll in the little menu till we find the your account and permissions. Now here we open up the apps and websites, and into the apps and websites we want to find the eBay option right here. Now as you can see we can view and edit and remove. Simply press view and edit, and here we want to remove the tab. Simply press the little icon, and as you can see here the both are removed from each other. To press remove, it disconnects each other, and that's about it. It's very easy. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.